Do you want fresh lemonade without squeezing a single lemon or using bottles of lemon juice? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you a no muss, no fuss solution that I think you're going to like. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we are looking at the True Lemon Original Lemonade Drink Mix and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. It'll help the channel. It's not going to cost you anything to do it. Thing number 1. This is all natural, no chemicals used. The only thing outside of lemon juice that's listed on the ingredients is turmeric, and it's a fairly small amount as I understand it. That doesn't bother me. In fact, I like something that doesn't have all the chemicals of, what you normally find in some of the drink mixes. Thing number 2. When I normally use a half-gallon jug when I make it, because I typically will drink this over the course of about half a day or so. When I make lemonade, being able to adjust the flavor, because sometimes I like more what some would consider lemon water. Sometimes I want that good old country lemonade taste. So you can adjust the flavor by changing the number of packets. And then I'll explain to you how I do mine. If I want kind of a lemon waterish taste, then I'll use just 2 drink packets. If I want more of a conventional lemonade taste, then I'll use 3 packets. I've never gone to 4 yet. 3 packets is more than enough for me, and because I normally will put on a half-gallon jug, I'll usually use at least a quarter of that to a third of ice cubes. I like my drink mixes really cold, and you'd be amazed at how much the taste improves in doing it, at least in my opinion. Now, thing number 3. And this has been my gripe with a lot of the drink powder mix. I don't notice any clumping. Now, I've had this problem. Sometimes it varies between batches, so I'll give the other manufacturers a little bit of slack. But when going from either a 16-ounce bottle of water to a half a gallon, I've never seen any clumping. It just immediately goes right into the water and disperses. Maybe the lack of chemicals has something to do with it. I don't know, but it's worth noting. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, this is less mess than using lemon juice. Now, granted, there's times that I like using regular lemon juice. It just depends on the taste I'm in the mood for. But I don't have to worry about dealing with any spills of lemon juice, because when I'm mixing the powder in, I'm pouring, the water's already in the jug to an extent, so I'm just putting the powder in. Maybe I'll have a few sprinkles spill if I'm not watching what I'm doing, but that's my fault. That's not the drink mix. So this is something that I've been very pleased, and I've been doing this for several weeks, and I have at least one of these a day. So take a look at this one and think about getting it in your next order. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Again, that's not going to affect your price. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.